Hey guys, Venki here. Welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sniff network traffic using Wireshark tool. Wireshark is one of the free software which is available to analyze or capture network packets. I'm going to use three insecure protocols to capture the network packets in this example. First one is HTTP protocol, which is a request response protocol used to transfer data between client to the web server. This protocol runs on port number 80 and it is not secure, so we can use Wireshark on the same network to capture the packet data. The next protocol is TELNET, which is nothing but teletype network. It is an application protocol which helps to send text oriented communication between two systems. As this protocol transfers the network packets in a plain text format, if anyone captures this data, they can read it easily. This protocol typically uses the port number 23. I'll show you how we can capture this network data using Wireshark. And the third one is file transfer protocol, which usually runs on port number 21, which is nothing but a communication protocol, helps to transfer files between client to servers. Again, this is insecure protocol. Anyone can capture the packet data from the network and they can view the file information easily. Let's see this in action. I will show you how we can capture network packet data for these three protocols. Let me start with the HTTP protocol, which is hypertext transfer protocol. I just connecting to one of the HTTP website and we can see that site is not secured. I'm trying to log in with the username and password credential, clicking on login button, which allowed me to get into the website. We can also see a profile page where we can update our name, credit card number, email, phone number and address. Let me update some information and then I'll show you how network packets are captured by Wireshark. I already opened Wireshark and then started capturing network traffic. Let's submit this form and then we can go back to Wireshark to see captured network traffic. Now we are ready. I just changed my profile information and then clicking on update button, it will send the data to database. Now we can go to Wireshark. As I enabled already, it started capturing the network traffic. So let's filter that with .php extension because that website was using .php in the URL. So what I did, filtered HTTP request and response, URL contains .php. We can see multiple request response sent from my client machine to the server. I'm searching for the login page where we typed username and password. See here, Wireshark already captured username and password. Username is test and password we typed as test. It is captured by Wireshark. This is completely insecure. Imagine you are in an airport or cafeteria accessing internet through public Wi-Fi network and browsing any of the HTTP website, purchasing something with credit card information. If a hacker connected to the public Wi-Fi network, they can sniff this network packet data. They can easily capture credit card information, whatever you are using on that website. So in this example, whatever we updated from the profile page, it is all captured by Wireshark. So guys, never use HTTP protocol. It is completely insecure. Always try to use HTTPS. That will be using port number 443. That will be having two-way trusted communication, which means a server can send data to the client which is trusted. Even though if someone capture the network packet data, it will be encrypted. They will not have client key to decrypt. So always be careful while browsing internet through public Wi-Fi network, make sure you are validating the URL. It should be always HTTPS. If it is HTTP, try to avoid. Otherwise, anyone can capture the network packet data as I showed in the example. Let's see the second example, file transfer protocol. I'm going to use one of the FTP server. Before to that, let me enable Wireshark so that it can start capturing network traffic. I'm going to use FTP client to connect to the FTP server, providing my username and then password. I'm able to log in into FTP server successfully. Let's list out all the directories and try to download a file called credential.txt file, which will be downloaded from FTP server to my client machine. These are all happening over the internet. Transfer got complete. We just downloaded a file which is 77 bytes in size. Let's close this FTP connection and then validate the downloaded file. Also, let's stop capturing the network traffic data. As we download the file to this directory, let's open and see credential.txt file. There is a start and end command in the text file, and it's having some credential for Facebook and Twitter. As we enabled Wireshark already during our FTP transaction, let's see what has been captured. I filtered only FTP here. Let's open any one of the FTP response and then go to filter, TCP stream filter. Here you go. We can see the complete operations, whatever we have done during our FTP connection, it's all captured by Wireshark. We can see we type the username, we type the password, and then we listed out the directories. We try to retrieve the file which is credential.txt file. Everything is captured as a network packet data by Wireshark. Not only the FTP commands, even we can see the downloaded data file content, which is the credential.txt file. The content of the file is also captured by Wireshark. Imagine you are doing similar FTP operation at your organization. By any chance, hacker connected to the network, they can see all the FTP commands and file content by capturing network packets using Wireshark. This is the reason security professional does not recommend FTP server at all. Rather, we can use SFTP, which is highly secured. Let's see the last protocol, which is TELNET. I just enabled Wireshark to capture TELNET traffic. I'm trying to do TELNET connectivity through a command line. Just trying to log in with username and password. Let's see whether Wireshark is capturing all this information. I'm successfully able to log in into the server. Let's try to execute some of the telnet commands. I'm doing echo, and then let's execute a date command, which got completed successfully. That's enough to capture the network traffic. Let's quit telnet and go back to Wireshark. And in the same way, I filtered Wireshark traffic for telnet, and then pick any one of the telnet, then do a follow TCP stream filter. Wow, we can see complete telnet commands captured by Wireshark. We can see login attempt, it captured username and password very clearly. All the red fonts or the communication from client, which means whatever we typed. All the blue fonts or the communication from the server. Again, this is so simple for hackers to capture network packet data for telnet protocol. So guys, please do not use telnet as well. Instead, try to use SSH, secure shell protocol. That's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. We'll see you in the next video.